the American dream. It's about rolling up your sleeves, putting in the work, and watching your dreams blossom into reality. This is the sweat to sweet story, the journey from the grind to the glory. Walt Disney's story is a testament to the power of perseverance. He rose from modest roots on a Missouri farm to become a global entertainment icon. From drawing cartoons on his family's farm to founding Disneyland, Walt's journey exemplifies the transformative power of hard work. He dared to dream big, to chase the seemingly impossible. He showed us that even from the most unassuming beginnings, greatness can emerge. Born in Marceline, Missouri, Walt Disney's early life was far removed from the glitz and glamour of Hollywood. He spent his childhood surrounded by the simple beauty of rural America. The farm became his first canvas, its animals his earliest subjects. Walt's fascination with art and storytelling blossomed from these humble beginnings. He would spend hours sketching, transforming the mundane into magical narratives. Even as a young boy, Walt displayed an entrepreneurial spirit. He would sell his drawings to neighbors and friends, earning his first pennies as an artist. These formative years laid the groundwork for Walt's future success. The experiences on the farm were the seeds of a dream that would one day blossom into a global empire. Walt's journey to success was not a smooth ascent. He faced numerous setbacks and financial hardships. One of the most significant blows came when he lost the rights to his popular character, Oswald the Lucky Rabbit. This devastating loss could have easily broken his spirit. However, it became a turning point. From the ashes of this setback emerged Mickey Mouse. This iconic character, born out of adversity, would become a global phenomenon. Walt's perseverance through these early struggles is a powerful lesson for anyone pursuing their dreams. The Mouse That Roared, Mickey's rise to fame. Mickey Mouse quickly captured the hearts of audiences worldwide. His cheerful demeanor and playful antics brought joy to millions during a time of economic hardship. Mickey's popularity soared, propelling Walt Disney to new heights of success. He pioneered synchronized sound and Technicolor animation, pushing the boundaries of what was possible in the world of cartoons. Mickey Mouse became the cornerstone of the Disney empire, paving the way for the creation of countless beloved characters and stories. His enduring popularity is a testament to the power of a simple yet compelling character. Animating dreams, innovation, and expansion. Walt Disney's vision extended far beyond Mickey Mouse. He constantly sought new ways to innovate and expand his creative horizons. In 1937, he released Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs, a groundbreaking achievement that set a new standard for animation and storytelling. Walt's ambition didn't stop at animation. He envisioned a place where families could come together and experience the magic of his creations firsthand. This dream culminated in the opening of Disneyland in 1955, a theme park that brought his animated worlds to life. From the creation of Mickey Mouse to the establishment of Disneyland, Walt Disney's journey was marked by a relentless pursuit of innovation and expansion. A legacy of magic, inspiring the dreamer in you. Walt Disney's story is more than just a tale of success. It's a testament to the power of unwavering belief and relentless hustle. He transformed his childhood dreams into a global empire, inspiring generations to pursue their own passions with unwavering determination. His journey reminds us that the path to success is rarely linear. It's filled with challenges, setbacks, and moments of doubt. But it's through these struggles that we grow, learn, and ultimately achieve our full potential. So, embrace the hustle, embrace the challenges, and never stop believing in the power of your dreams. Just like Walt Disney, you too can transform your sweat into a sweat, your struggles into triumphs, and your dreams into reality.